Hey guys, Chris from Flow Designs, and today we're going to talk a little bit about the JDM number plates. What's the problem? These plates are a lot taller than your standard number plate, so a few issues arise. Number one, it's not center. Sometimes your mounting points will also show, and the worst thing is it touches the paintwork. So how do you fix this? We've got a new JDM mounting brackets, and I'll show you how to use these on this car. Okay. Okay, in what situation do you need a JDM plate bracket? So I've taken a number plate off the car to show you guys. First thing is the number plate's not center. If you do have the plates already, now before you attempt to install this, you want to just make sure that it doesn't touch the paintwork. In this case, it does. So the customer has really quickly come down to us so we can fix the problem for him. If you don't, you're going to get marks all on the paintwork and you won't be able to get rid of it. The bracket itself is quite simple. It mounts up to the OEM poles, like that, and then from there you can adjust vertically. This also works for BMWs, Volkswagen, a whole bunch of other European cars. If you're not sure, just ask us. Let's go ahead and put in the car and see how it works. Well done, and there you have it. JDM plates are nice and center now. You can't see the factory holes, and most importantly, it's off the paintwork. So hopefully this helps you. If you have any questions, just let us know. Thanks for watching.